What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video started out, it is like a natural glam. It started out to be a very like daytime appropriate look, and you're probably already sick of it, but I did a look very similar to this, like just playing around the other night, and I was obsessed with it. So I just wanted to recreate that basically. So I used the Huda Beauty Nude palette and this shade right here, CRAVE. Oh my gosh, this is probably my favorite shade in the entire palette, and that is what is on the lid. And then for the lashes, I'm like obsessed with these lashes because they are very feminine and flirty and pretty, but they're not overwhelming my entire eye space. You can still see the look and it's not completely covering it up. So, you know, you could wear these types of lashes for, you know, daytime or nighttime, and they're very lightweight. They are the Kiss lashes in Flirty, and honestly I didn't think I was gonna like them, but they are very lightweight. So if you would like to see how to get this beautiful natural glam, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the notification bell because I've been posting a lot. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But if you want to stay up to date, then notification bell right there. And let's get into the tutorial. Alright, I'm gonna take an E40 and I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Nude palette, and I'm going to be using this light orange right here. Alright, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills blending brush and go in with Teddy. And put that in my crease. E25 and Spanked. CRAVE. Gonna go in with Raw and a pencil brush, Morphe R41. Take my Fix Plus and I took just a little like shallow dish and spray it, and we're gonna go back in with CRAVE. And then go in with Teddy and a brush. I got this from my Ipsy. And then Spanked. Vacate HOULA. It's here though. It's squirrels. Oh, nice. I got issues. Cosmo, I got issues. I love a guy. He said the pussy top 5, dead or alive. In the buff. and Cupcake. Hourglass Incandescent Electra. Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. Okay, so you do not have to put lashes on. I am going to put these Kiss Flirty lashes. So these are like the most natural lashes I have, so that's what we're going with. So I'm gonna go put those on and then I will be back and we'll do the lip. The lashes I am obsessed with. They are like so pretty and feminine, but they're not so huge that you can't see the eye makeup. Like, they are perfect and they're like super lightweight. Usually lashes kind of weigh my eyelids down, but these feel like I have nothing on them. Legit. It's off. They're really, really lightweight. So for the lip, first I put down this NYX Butter Gloss in Cupcake, and then I put this Huda Beauty metallic lip gloss in Snobby on top of it, and to kind of give it a holographic effect. I think it looks so awesome. This isn't typically like a look I would do for fall, but number one, I live in Florida, so it's still like 70 degrees here. And number two, like when I was looking at looks like from like runways and stuff, it's like all about bright colors. Like I didn't see like a lot of the darker eye looks I was expecting to see. So what I like I do, I do, I do. What I like I do, I do, I do.